The government has not approved any trials on a vaccine against the coronavirus in Papua New Guinea. Controller of the National Pandemic Response, David Manning, said this in response to The Australian newspaper report that the Chinese-operated Ramuniko mine has claimed to have vaccinated its Chinese employees against COVID-19 in an apparent vaccination trial.
Measure number 12, if I could just read it. It says, no COVID-19 vaccination or unapproved pharmaceutical intervention shall be provided to any person within Papua New Guinea. No vaccine testing or trials for COVID-19 shall occur within Papua New Guinea. A person who claims to have received the vaccine overseas must comply with the requirements contained in Measure 2 of international travel measures.
Manning said the National Department of Health has not approved any vaccine trials in PNG. He said any vaccines imported into PNG must be approved by NDOH and must go through vigorous vaccine trials, protocols and procedures, and must be WHO pre-qualified and approved for use in PNG. According to The Australian, the Chinese government authorized for 2 potential vaccines to be trialled by state-owned firms with employees overseas and the nation's military. Ramuniko in Madang province is run by one of China's largest SOEs, the Metallurgical Corporation of China Limited.
There was a flight scheduled to arrive today from China. Purportedly on that flight there was supposed to be employees of a certain mine that had been subjected to these vaccinations. In light of the lack of information of what these trials are and what possible risks or threats that may cause our people if they were to come into the country, I had cancelled that flight yesterday.
Meanwhile, PNG has recorded 361 positive COVID-19 cases, with 2 new cases reported in the last 24 hours. The death toll has also risen to 4. The latest deceased male had an underlying illness. Salome Vincent, TVWAN News.